Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got the bumper mounted. The only thing that I got left to do here is trim these fender liners. I've got to clean them up, trim them off under the bumper there, but it didn't turn out too bad. Again, like I said, I got to trim these off up underneath it, but yeah, I'm happy with it. The Bullyliner on the bumper actually looks really good. Yeah, I think it looks good on the truck. Can't really tell, sun's shining super bright today, but yeah, it doesn't look bad. So again, like I said in the last video, highly recommend the move bumpers. Super easy to do, and again, this truck being wrecked, it's really the only way I could make one of these work was being able to build it myself. So turned out really nice, and again, happy with it. I do have the rear bumper coming, so I've got that coming. I will have a video coming out on these tail lights. Right now I'm waiting on one of the resistors I think went bad, so hoping that fixes that. And then the next step is rebuilding this front end. Planning on doing because I really need to redo everything under the front. So right now I'm kind of planning to do like a third, fourth gen, putting the T instead of the Y steering, putting the T steering bar, and redoing all that with like a third or fourth gen. So we'll see how that goes. I think the way I understand, I think it will fit. I'm a little concerned with the knuckles with these 16-inch rims, so we'll see. Need to do a little more research and make sure that's going to work with what I have. If not, my plan is just to rebuild this, basically everything in the steering on the front of this, and then put a new track bar that's adjustable so I can shift this front end. You guys can see this tire on this side sticks out quite a bit more, and part of that's when I lifted the truck up, the axle went to the driver's side. So an adjustable track bar will pull that back over where it needs to be, and then getting this front end all rebuilt. Right now it's definitely, I think, ball joints. Yeah, I'm not sure how far I'm gonna have to go, probably everything in the front. So, but anyway, that's the update. Move bumper, like I said, I'm really happy with it. Looks nice on the truck. So yeah, be ready to build the rear bumper here hopefully in the next couple weeks, and be really close to having this truck said and done. Thanks for watching.